Welcome. We will begin an easy pose today. Bringing your arms up, interlacing your fingers, and turning them out to the sky. Breathing in and out through your nose. Side stretching to your right. Your gaze should be up towards the ceiling. Coming back to the center and side stretching to the left. Gaze should be up towards the ceiling. Breathing in and out. Coming back to center, releasing your hands, bringing your arms around behind you and hold. Forward bend, bringing your arms up as much as you can. Might need to adjust your hips to come down. See how far you can go. Listen to your body. Moving into child's pose. Your first child's pose of the day. Arms in front, forehead on the floor, sitting on your feet. You're going to move into thread the needle. So tuck your right arm under your left. Left should still be in front. Your right temple on the floor. Coming out and going onto the left side, thread the needle. Left temple on the floor. Your left arm tucked under your right. Breathing in, breathing out. Coming out and moving into Sphinx pose. Onto the floor, onto your belly. Chest up, gaze up, knees active, feet and legs are active. Grabbing your right foot with your right hand. You should feel a quad stretch right now. Should feel pretty good. If not, release it a little bit. Release the leg. Coming back into Sphinx. We're going to move on to Frog. Tuck your leg out to the side. Nice hip stretch. Remember to breathe. Leg back to center. Grab your left leg with your left hand on the other side. Feeling that quad stretch. Releasing the leg and going into Frog on the other side. Active feet. Feeling a stretch in the left hip. We're going to come up, moving into child's pose. Inhaling and exhaling. Coming back into tabletop, you're going to raise your right hand and your left leg into bird dog. This is a really nice balancing pose. Bringing your right arm around, grabbing your left foot. Do what you can. You can always just stay in bird dog. Coming onto the other side, left arm raised, right leg raised, breathing in and out. Reaching your arm around and grabbing your foot. We're going to go into side plank by raising our left arm. You can keep your knee down, raising your left leg. Feet are active. Coming back into tabletop. Going into side plank on the right side, raising your right leg if you choose. Release back into tabletop. Tucking your toes under and moving into down dog, our first down dog. Walking the dog. Holding into the pose. Walking forward into forward fold. Grabbing each elbow. Hang heavy. Slight bend in your knees, melting into the pose. You can even grab your big toe if you'd like, breathing in and out. Coming down onto the floor into child's pose. Go into a wide-legged child's pose, resting here for several deep belly breaths. Arms in front, forehead on the floor. Tucking your toes under and moving back into down dog. You can walk the dog again if you'd like. Always feels good. And hold. Remembering to breathe. Coming down to the floor into puppy pose. Chest on the floor, forehead on the floor, arms in front. Getting that nice shoulder stretch. Moving back into hero pose. Hands are in your lap, resting on your feet. Moving forward, tucking your toes under. Stay here if that's comfortable. When you're ready, sitting back on your toes if you are able to, as much as you can, and breathe. You're going to release. Coming down to the floor onto your back, into wind pose, massaging your back, shifting back and forth. You're going to take your legs straight up into the air. It's like an upside down staff pose. Moving into happy baby with your hands on the inside of your feet, feeling that nice stretch in your hamstrings. Inhaling and exhaling for several breaths. Releasing the legs, moving from side to side, down to the floor, feet are on the floor. Windshield wiper your legs. And moving into our final pose, Savasana. Palms up, feet falling outward. You are breathing naturally. Thank you for meeting me on the mat today. Namaste.